Ever wondered how to turn small plots into massive profits? Learn the top secrets of successful developers. Hi, I'm Peter Kelly, and in this video, I'll reveal strategies that allow you to enter the property development game with little to no money. Stay tuned and learn how you can make your first profit without the hefty investment. First is creative financing. You don't need to use your own money. Look into partnerships, joint ventures, and even crowdfunding, for instance. Partner with landowners who want to develop but lack the expertise. Next, leverage your expertise. Offer your skills in exchange for a share of the profits. Many landowners and small developers need expert guidance, but can't afford the fees up front. By joining our Fish subscription, you can learn more about leveraging your skills effectively in our free $20,000 Townhouse Masterclass. Another powerful tool is option agreements. These agreements secure the right to purchase land later, allowing you to lock in a price while you seek financing or partners. Sweat equity is invaluable. Contribute your time and effort to a project in exchange for equity. It's about putting in the work now for the significant payout later. Don't overlook government programs and incentives. Many regions offer grants, low-interest loans, or tax benefits for development projects. Ready to go deeper? Unlock our $20,000 masterclass for free by joining the Little Fish Network. Hit the link pinned in the comments. It takes 2 seconds. There you have it. Strategies to profit from property development with $0. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Comment below with your thoughts or questions. Happy developing.